question, and that is, what is in your life's blueprint? This is the most important and crucial period of your lives, for what you do now and what you decide now at this age may well determine which way your life.
320. I don't know. It's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what want them? Looks so shine. Guys, if you don't know, I'm afraid of escalator. The first time I went on it, I almost killed myself, you know. So I feel good now. Some just jump on our loops and things. I get something to eat right now and go down at my gate, get a little Wendy's sandwich and stuff. Guys, tip: before you travel, try to eat, because it's expensive once you come inside. But me not line how long. At first me I see line so long. I check in line, me I tell us about 150 people in there in front of me. I'm gonna come early. Normally when me I travel, I'm always late to check in. So I'm gonna get something now and munch pan that. Go down I gate and thing. Yeah, I'll get Wendy's. Good old Wendy's and stuff. So yeah. What up, guys? You don't know? Girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what a gym. Guys, I'm currently in Florida. Link up. I'm not staying here though. This is just a stop. My flight unscrupulously delayed till 9:35. Can you believe that? Really need to go. Soon come. Hey guys, the last time I traveled, I thought I'd vlog when I was actually traveling, like in the airport and stuff. When I check it out and I check my footages, nothing. So this time I made sure to have my camera, which is to clean up my storage, everything and stuff. So guys, my suit, my outfit is so cute. Jeans and pink. The pink Skylife art I'm putting on my thumbnail. I was so excited when I got my Skylife hats around there. Oops. I got my Skylife hats yesterday. When the gentleman brought it to me, I was so excited. And I was like, I'm so excited, and he was like, really? I'm like, yes. So I took a picture with it, but I couldn't wear it because of my hairstyle and stuff. So I'm currently walking to my gate because of those connecting from having a Florida. One day I'm gonna come to Florida and really spend some time. And stop becoming a lot of you guys live in Florida, so that would be a good thing. So the flight was pretty good. I only travel southwest. I just love their service, their quality and everything. I really appreciate it and stuff. You don't know, we live in the Skylife out here in these streets. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. This is me one little pizza, you know. I get a little pizza, charge my phone. Try to find something to charge my phone. And get something to eat and stuff. So I'll check back in with you guys. And I'm sure maybe when my flight soon be here or something. I don't know. I try to find something to charge my phone. But I don't see anywhere. I'll check back in with you guys. Hey guys. Alright, so my flight delay like for 3 hours. How funny. Not nice when you're traveling alone, you know. I always travel by myself, but when things like these happen, not nice because then I have nobody there for you. Be love vibes with or whatever. Like them better. Like me hairstyle. I like my edges. I told her to take them out. Well, she said she'll take them out because my edges them break off. Because guys, I'm going natural. Maybe I lock my ear, I don't know yet, but I'm going natural, I know that for sure. So I'll be doing my thing. I'm not putting my cream in there. Plus I go natural. But when I hear natural, I say hot when you come. No, my flavor away when you come is very hot. It's very, very hot when you come, like very hot. So yeah, I'm there wait now. I think I'll buy a pizza or something. I'm finish because I'm wait at 10 o'clock before I move. So that's 9 o'clock you guys time now. So this is the travel vlog. A lot of you guys like kill up on yourself to travel, and traveling is a lot of hectic work. Like I've been traveling a while now, and I'm telling you, it's good when you reach where you go, but to get where you wanna go, it's like up and down and really. So I'm not gonna kill up on yourself over too tough. But what you don't know, you don't know. I would love for all of my skylifers to get the experience traveling to different places and stuff. It would be really good. And what I want for you guys is to just make on a bucket list and take them off one. For me, next year when I'm traveling, for the rest of this year I'll be coming to America. But for next year, my goal is to go to different places like Italy, Rome, France, although I can't speak French and anything, my phone will translate. But that's my goal. I want to do different things, eat different food, meet new people, you know, reach new heights, get new inspiration and bag of things. So yeah, I like me right now. I'm going to relax. I try to call Punky and see your phone. I'll let you go see this way after. I try to call Punky and guitar and stuff. And guys, oh yeah, I'm telling you about the Skylife happen already. And I have so much more ideas in my mind to get out of it, you know. For Blvd and the Skylife brand and everything, helping you guys to know branding for yourself so you can start your businesses, create an impact and stuff like that. That's the things that I love to do. My friend them tell me the same, like you love to talk about things here. When you ready to start talk, anytime you start talking about stuff, you like business ideas and stuff, like them can't manage me. But yeah, I like me at the right now. So this is like a chill vlog, nothing too extra. Just me checking in with you guys and stuff like that. I have a video idea of things you need to do when traveling, like in terms of how you pack and stuff like that. I have a video idea for that. Maybe I do it, maybe not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm tired. I'm going to fitness planets. I'm going to the gym over here, so yes, I'm excited about that. But I'm going to do video and stuff, see me over here. And about things. I'm not sure about the upload because I didn't bring my laptop. I don't have a laptop here, but I would need to get the editing software on it and stuff like that. So I'm not sure I'm gonna upload while I'm here or when I get back, but I would love to upload while I'm here to keep the thing rolling, because guys, I want the channel to grow, you know, at a steady pace. I don't want to be inconsistent. I want to work on my consistency and stuff like that. So yeah, that's a Melica update, guys. It's just so amazing. This morning I'm at my house, I washed some clothes and I put it on the line, and right now I'm in a totally new country. Like, you see how things work? Like, guys, you just have to be grateful and open your mind to new things. Like, God good, nobody can tell me nothing about Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I believe in him 100%, and I'll me for ever trying to live a good life. You understand? I'm not living an unscrupulous life. You know, make no sense for me. I always have certain like standards I want to uphold for myself, so that when I have my husband and my kids, those are the same standards that we will have, especially for my kids, so that generation will go on. And so I think deep, you understand? Yeah, so that's it. Check back in with the new stuff later. Bye. Oh guys, one more thing, I want you to go over to Melica Allen and subscribe to that page, because I have started to upload in terms of some new content, especially surrounding YouTube, how to start your YouTube channel, how you can make money online and stuff like that. For a very long time that was my main goal on YouTube, and that is still my main goal. So I started to upload on that channel, so you can go ahead and check it out, give a subscribe, watch the videos that I have already uploaded, and see if you can learn anything from it and start capitalize on it, because a lot more content will be coming on that page for personal branding, how to be an entrepreneur, to create your own business and make it online. You know, I'm just gonna be sharing my knowledge with you guys. You guys know that this is what I study in school. I study marketing, and also take out the school part. Even if I never go to school, like, it's just something that is a part of me to know what is happening online, how to maneuver online. My ultimate goal for myself for a very long time is to work from home full time, and I continuously work towards that, and I want to give you guys content for you guys to work towards that as well, because that's the only way you guys are gonna be like traveling to these nice places and buying everything that you want. You have to have more than one income stream. You understand? A 9-to-5 job alone now cut it in this society, and until you get that, you start thinking differently, you know. So yeah, you can go subscribe to that and stuff. I'm excited about that channel, because you're gonna see the more content based in terms of teaching. Well, not teaching, I'm sharing with you guys everything I know in terms of making it online, and that's good. I don't want to keep the information to myself, because I know a whole heap of information, and little by little I go just store it on you guys, so that we can grow, you can grow, me can grow into bigger and better things. Because I always believe that even though I know a lot of things, I still have a lot of things to learn. I still have a lot of things to learn from you guys and stuff like that. So I don't take it for granted, and that's why I'm giving back on that channel to really help in any way possible, especially my Jamaicans, but not just my Jamaicans, everybody, minorities worldwide. Like, the information is for everybody, not Jamaicans only, everybody in the Caribbean, everybody in our world, so they can grow on a thing, grow on a channel, grow on a business and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you. I look so cute. Somebody told me I look really young with that hairstyle here and stuff. Yesterday Tamika sent me one video of my channel. I think when I just started vlog number 9. Guys, check out vlog number 9, how I look then and how I look now. I look totally different. Like, you can't tell if I'm the same person. When I look funny, I say, what, Melica? You know, I'm just so proud of myself. I'm proud of the people around me that helped to push me, and I'm just so grateful and humbled, because out of all that came this. And you know, that goes to show that everything I show me, just believe me, I'm like, I'm not the same person. I think I'm a better version of myself, but I've always been trying to be a better version of myself. So I'm just so grateful that this is the same personality I have just developed more. You understand? And I just got to do things right. I'm not live an unscrupulous life. I'm not live a negative life. I'm just about uplifting and doing good, because I believe that when I do good, it come back upon you and I realize sometimes. So yeah, later. So guys, it's actually around 10:20 now. I'm actually gonna board my flight finally. I'm not reach where I go until in the AM and stuff. I met a friend too, someone to go and roll with. So guys, I'm officially beat. I'm finally home. It's 2:07 AM in Jamaica, so 4:07 AM over here. So I'm gonna start out myself and go to bed. This is where I end the vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. See you later, bye.